Developments in automation are impacting every industry, but one of the fields that's most ripe for change is construction. That's because builders are heavily impacted by labor issues, costs, and material availability, all while sticking to what are often tight timelines. AI robotics firm FieldAI has paired up with California-based construction engineering company DPR in order to test automation tools in construction processes. One of the most notable applications has been the use of a quadruped robot in facilitating safer work sites. The bot has been paired with FieldAI's Field Foundation Model's autonomy software. The goal is to leverage the technology to collect data and survey and inspect the field. The company says the equipped bots are capable of analyzing autonomously hundreds of thousands of square feet of space. According to its developers, this solution can replace the long and often tedious process where a human project engineer walks the grounds with a 360-degree camera for hours at a time before uploading site information to a database. The full scope of the manual process can take weeks to complete and is especially challenging in today's landscape where labor shortages are common. Not to mention, visual data can quickly become outdated, as these types of environments are constantly changing. A robot dog, developers believe, can address stagnant productivity, improve accuracy, and even safety. Captured footage becomes a living digital record that supports human decision-making, risk detection, and long-term documentation. According to Justin Schreiner, a superintendent for DPR, the FieldAI system has been in use on site for a year and a half. Schreiner said it takes, quote, some of the more mundane tasks off our plate, letting us focus on the more detailed, critical tasks, the results of which are safer and higher quality projects.